Hey everyone! Ever been trying to install the Windows subsystem for Linux using the WSL install command? The requested operation requires elevation? Annoying, right? Well, don't worry, it's actually a super common issue with a really simple fix. So, what does requires elevation even mean? Your regular command prompt or PowerShell window doesn't have those high-level permissions by default. Luckily, getting those permissions is easy. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, close the terminal window where you got the error. Next, head down to your Windows Start menu search bar. Then type in either PowerShell or CMD for command prompt. Now don't just click on it. Instead, right-click on the Windows PowerShell or command prompt result that appears. From the menu that pops up, choose the option that says Run as Administrator. You'll probably see a confirmation box pop up, asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Just click Yes on that. You'll now have a new terminal window open, and it probably says Administrator in the title bar. Perfect. Finally, in this new Administrator window, simply type that original command again, WSL-install, and hit Enter. That's pretty much it. Because you're running it as an administrator this time, the command should have the elevation it needs to work correctly and install WSL for you. Just let it run. And remember, you might need to restart your computer afterwards. If this quick tip helped you out, do me a huge favor and hit that like button down below. And if you want more simple fixes and tech tips like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.